Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to near Brodhead to 7 miles northwest of Lake Somerset, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Brodhead, Albany, Judah, Avon, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.